gonna start that YouTube stream. You know, at this point, I'm gonna set YouTube streams to not auto stop because the amount of times my internet goes out is crazy. Let's see, is Twitch back up? Yes, Twitch is back up. Okay. We'll see how long it takes for... Let me get back into VRChat instance. There we go. Move this to like a fun angle. Camera angle being like right. Closer to like me looking forward, I think is good. Like that. There we go. That's good. See, testing. Okay, unmuted. Yeah, so the internet crapped out, but we're good. We're back. We never left. Okay, let's see. For expression context, this needs to be... Oh wait, I'm not done yet. I'm not done. With struct context, is there anything else I needed to add? I need to rotate. Because the sun glare was like really messing with me. That works. The struct context is done, except for setting everything to be public. Then we do module context, hub, context, public, fire, crux. and then pipelines. Then we also do document context. We'll have a, well, this should be an OS string. Labeled node map. Oh, all of these are labeled node maps. Do I want to hash map all of these? Well, it doesn't hurt for now. Document context is included. I'm just checking because it doesn't seem like error checking is working in my project right now. The LSP config Rust analyzer has been set up. This will likely lead to conflicts with the Rustation Vim. Ah, Rustation Vim. I see what they're doing. LSP client. The HRS. Not Rust analyzer. The main reason for this choice is that Mason and Vim installations of your Rust analyzer will most likely have been built with different toolchain than your project, leading to inconsistencies and possible subtle bugs. If you want to use a Mason and Vim installation anyway, you can do so by specifying the server command settings. Hmm. What else people forget? I'll sort that out later. For now, I am confused of like, do you need to import vector? Like, use standard collections spec. Because this isn't giving me any output as to whether what I've written is valid or not. Build to run build command for tree sitter brain script. Process didn't exit successfully. CC none. Little error, C parser, no such file or directory. Ah. I need to get it to run tree sitter config. Or add it to the Git repo, I guess is the other one. Because I think I might have deleted source C from the Git repo. Yeah, I did. Nothing in tree sitter brain script. Dang it, accidentally hit something. And that has the actual repo in it. Can I just move everything in? Yeah. Oh, this isn't a Git repo. Did you figure out your tree text thing? Maybe. It might be done, but I haven't actually tried using it yet. Like, it's written. How usable it is in my actual algorithms that I've already written, we will see. We will see. I have to do that first. Right now, I'm trying to get my tree sitter package to actually build. Let me just remove for real. Okay, and now we want to clone tree-sitter Brane script into this repo. Because before I just had it as a child of the repository. But since we're doing this through like the cargo packages system, and it's in a separate repo, we'll just edit it by pushing domain, pushing to prod. And the problem is currently that this, I edited the CMake lists to generate parser C, and then I added that to the git ignore. However, if this is a Rust package, I don't want them to be forced to have tree sitter on their PC to build this. So I think I'm going to retract my changes to the git ignore, and we're going to add source back in, not gen build, but source back in. Then we're gonna go, and yes, I know I'm using the terminal in Vim. It is strange. But we just generated So then there's all our stuff except for enums H, which we don't need to worry about for now. So now the next time we try building, it should realize that there's been an update to the repo, right? Or we need to delete our target directory. Oh, I hope we don't have to build a Brane, work with me here. I hope we don't have to build LLVM from source. So if we have to build LLVM from source, yeah. Not going to be a fun day. Or rather, we get to spend 30 minutes waiting for it to compile, and then I have to remember never to delete the target directory. Man did not successfully... Error occurred in CCRS. Command did not execute successfully. Status code GCC 00 exe build failed. So GCC failed. Oh, so this time it did find a thing, like an actual compiler. Well, this wasn't the part of everything that I expected to fail. I expected the parser to be like the one thing that would still work since I could carry it over from the old project. Don't tell me I have to rewrite my grammar again. Oh, I can actually cargo build this myself here and see what happens. Run if environment changed, PC, Windows, MSVC. Fatal error, cannot open source file, source parser C. What? There's... Oh, wait, this is Brane script. This is the wrong... It's like, what do you mean source parser C doesn't exist? Run cargo build in this directory and see what the problem is. It built successfully. RIP. So, wait, that means is something wrong with... Where is it running build from? Target debug build tree sitter Brane script. Page get Brane script, tree sitter Brane script out, parser O. Wait. Here, let's parse out this whole thing. Somewhere in here is... Searching for C. So there's cargo. I don't see C in this command. Kind of open source file, source parser C, no such files or directory. I wonder what the relativity of this is to the actual package itself. Because, like, I push the update to Git. Like, if I reload this, there's going to be a source with the C file it's looking for. Double checking. If I fully delete target and O run, okay. So it is most definitely that our build file is not, or build RS is where is the build RS? Or am I blind? Oh, right, it's in bindings. Bindings, Rust, build RS. So it just starts the path off source. Okay. So we need Rust build script. The build script's current directory is the source directory of the build script's package. The directory, so we want the cargo manifest directory. Let project root equal standard env I wish I had error checking working. Oh, it is. Is not defined at compile time. See if there's an example down here. No, there's probably an example down here. env var. Yes, since this is just a build, we can unwrap. And then this will give us the environment variable carton filter. Then we want path new. This one's an OS string. Do Aster. Then we want to join this with source. Our moved value sourcester. When was it moved? Include, okay. Wait a second. Does join... Okay, join borrows. Doesn't consume, I thought it did. I'll do this. That should fix that. Why is this complaining as string? Expected reference, found struct, type string. So give this a moment to resolve and that should be good. Here's the thing, this is updating so slowly, I can't tell if it's actually errors or not. But this should work, as I'm seeing it here. Sourcester as the type path buffer does not implement the copy trait. But join takes a reference to self and returns a entirely new path buffer. include takes as reference path, so we can pass in a reference there. Okay, let's try running this. No. Temporary value, which is freed while still in use. Alright. And that builds. Which, actually, let's see if it actually builds. It looks like it does, and that is now relative to environment variables. And hopefully manifest of your package. Okay. Specifically your package. So now if I go and I commit this, now we have that pushed up. Let's try this again. We delete target. Oh, run. So it's forced to re-check out the file. And it failed. Build command for presetter transcript v1. Source parser C, no such file or directory. No such file or directory. I know for a fact the directory probably exists. In fact, if I go here into Darget and search parser C, nothing shows up. Okay. Hmm. Obviously, the build script is there somewhere. We can get it from a Git repo. You can get it from a certain branch. See, if I run cargo clean, then build, still can't find source C. Wait a second. This is all the environment variables that were passed into it. Or passed out of it. We have the out directory, target. We have the path. So there's two possibilities. I mean, this is even... The default build script should work if it's there. So... this is the output. Where is this running from? Where's the output? So home directory. I need to delete that cached version of my package because apparently it's not updating. Or maybe Maybe the lock file? Cargo global cache. Is there a home directory with... Oh, there is. Cargo. Oh, I could have just deleted this. Oh well. Cargo... Ish. What is Fisk Git repositories? What does this do? It said clearing cache and then it installed stuff. Windows 0 Git repo checkouts. Okay. Since I don't trust that this is actually using the correct commit, I'm going to copy the commit details. And then we're going to be all responsible and set the specific commit or tag or whatever. Inclusive commit. I want to use the latest commit on a branch. Main. Then maybe I want revision than that. Hopefully that's enough to get it to force it to rebuild. Or recheck out the repo. And it was. I just needed to change the signature. It was that the cached package was wrong. I spent far too much time on that. Ah! So now let's find a file, document, context, rs. Oh look, my error checking is actually working now. Array equal is not implemented for text context. I guess partial equal would be different. I guess full equality can already derive. There's a lot of derived macros that I need to add here. Alright, and that is at least compiling now. Alright, I think I'm gonna go eat dinner. But I'm gonna continue working on this afterwards and just, like, try to rush through, like, get it done good, but, like, rush through this, because I want the scripting language working 2 days ago. Or, like, in a sense working 2 days ago. And this is going to take a little bit longer than I expected, simply because I'm going to have to redo things like the find node system, like walking the tree and whatnot, making that external instead of direct copying everything, but I'm confident about this refactor. Still very confident. Alright, those of you who stuck around, thank you. I am signing off.